In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect 12-volt high power adapter. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to set up and connect a 12-volt high power adapter. This is a new cable introduced with the 40 series from NVIDIA. However, it is also going to be used for the 50 series. As you can see, it is a single cable that connects into the graphics card. Some new power supplies will also include a native cable. This makes it so the connection is going to be the same. However, if you have a Founders Edition from NVIDIA or your PSU doesn't include the native cable, you will have an adapter like this one, where you have the 12 voltage high power cable in one end, and then you will have to connect 3 PCI Express cables from your power supply in here. So I'm going to cover both of these scenarios. First, just check your graphics card, make sure that you indeed need this cable. Usually it is going to be labeled as 16 pin, and as you can see, it has all of the little holes here and this thing at the top, which is the additional power. Now, all that you have to do is tightly plug this cable in there. So you will be able to position it accordingly, line up this latch, and when you press it down, fully ensure that there is no space between this connection. If you don't insert it fully, this can introduce problems. So double check, make sure that it is tightly inserted and that you don't see any of the pins exposed. Like I mentioned before, usually some power supplies like this one from Corsair will include this cable where one end goes directly into a new specific port on the PSU and then the other end goes into the GPU. However, if you notice that your power supply does not have this native thing over here, then like I mentioned, you will most likely be using this adapter from NVIDIA. What you have to do here is plug this end into the GPU, like I mentioned before, and then all of these other cables will receive individual PCIe or PCI Express cables from your power supply. So you plug the PCI Express cable into the power supply, and then the other end goes into these four things. And then this adapter will take care of powering the graphics card. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect 12-volt high power adapter. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.